So we are going to tackle this question. Saving and credit cooperative society sacco are very popular in Kenya, providing loans to members for family, educational, business ventures. Sacco managers often decide whether to approve or reject an application instead of relying on manual judgment and train machine model to classify loan application as approved or rejected using the provided data set. So the provided data set we have here, it has age, monthly, employment, loan amount, and the loan and credit. So those are the data set that we have: loan amount and age and credit history, guarantors here. So those are the loan amount that's the data set we have. So we'll go to start writing codes to train this machine learning. So in our Jupyter notebook I've written some. So first we are going to import pandas. Second, we import numpy, matlim, seaborn, the scalar processing selection, and this will import those. I think we'll discuss them later. So after importing those, we load that we have seen. We load it here. So we'll write pfpd to read the CSV file that we had. Then we'll display all the informations. When we have features and target, we will separate them. Then we'll identify the categorical and numerical columns that we use the x and y's. So x-axis will be true, that is like proved. So we're choosing it's the algorithm that we'll choose. So training, so we fetch the prepared training data, features x train and target y train into the random forest algorithm. So this algorithm will use type. So after identifying, we have the result. So we'll move on to the consideration that we use. So we'll use the decision of monthly income, loan amount, age, credit history, repayment, default. So this is what we use. So we'll go to visualize the description of the target and variable, which will use the plot.figure to figure the size, the SNN, the title. Then if it's rejected, it will be 0, then approved it will be 1, then count, then show. So then we'll go to that figure size, then copy, then loan status. We'll use that to look at the loan status. Then we split those data. Then also we'll initialize and train random forest classifier like 100. Those will train them. Then we'll make prediction, then evaluate the model. Then we'll go to confusion matrix, which the figure size will enter the actual and predicted will show. Any future importance will do it, then sort it, then the split, and so I think maybe we'll look them later, but so this is how These are the codes that we can use to train those. So when I try to run it, then I'll try to run it and see what is resulting out. So it says that what the base building the front cage, this may take a moment, so that we are trying to run it and see how it will go. It will take some time to run it. I think it still takes some time. So I think maybe we leave it to run, but you can see the codes, how we have did them, how we import the following. The importations, the displaying of data, we separate the feature target, how we handle the missing bodies, and how we encode, and how we print them, and how we visualize them all.